I'm Nagai Hadija from Women in JS Uganda, the focal point person, climate. So as Women in JS, this is a non-profit organization. We are engaged in a number of activities. Women in JS brings together women from diverse professions. We have land surveyors, we have environmental science, we have wetland specialists, we have a number of sectors, and we do different activities. And for the case of today, we are doing tree planting. We intend to plant 1 million trees in different parts of Uganda. So this is a call to all of us. When we see the environment impacts coming up, we equally share them, whether you acted or not. So it's high time you take the positive actions. Let's refuse to use where necessary. Let's reuse, let's rethink, let's repurpose, let's be intentional about conserving Mother Nature. There is no plan B. You and I are here. We either breathe the good air or we consume the bad air. And we've seen the repercussion, the increase in cancer cases, the increase in respiratory cases. It's all because you've not acted. Act with us. Proper waste management is key. Plant trees where need be. Commit to any activity you can do to restore Mother Nature. When planting trees, if we are planting for timber, let us give it that particular time we've given it to harvest time as we plant more trees, so that whenever we cut one tree, at least we plant another. And then also we need to rethink about the energy sources we have. What do you use for cooking? Let's involve more in clean cooking and the use of renewable energy.